Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna be installing these running boards for our truck, and I'm gonna be doing it by myself. So if I can do it by myself, you can do it by yourself. Okay. Okay, so this is everything that the box has. We're gonna be opening it to see what it looks like, and if you want the same boards, we're gonna put the link in the description so you can buy it. That will help us a lot. Thank you. Here, over here we have the boards, and now we're gonna be opening them. So now this is what the right side board looks like, and now we're gonna open the left side board. Okay, so now we're gonna see how they look. So first, the right side. Wow, it looks pretty good. So now we're gonna be going by the tools we need to put these up there, and the hardware that came with it, so you can put it up in your truck. Oh wait, I forgot about something. We gotta read the manual. So here, first we have to. Do you really think we're gonna use the manual?
Oh my God! What the fuck?
We're not using the manual. Okay, so this is the hardware that it comes with. It's a lot of like bolts and stuff, and I guess these are the clamps to put them on the truck, and of course these are the boards. So let's get building. Why are you recording? Okay guys, so now we're gonna have to check if the bolts in this truck is Model A or Model B. So we gotta check under the truck. It seems like Model B. It's a circle. Over here too. Yeah, it's Model B. So now we have to check the
Follow the next steps. No?
see. So here's the order for the spacers. For the big one here, we have the flat here, the lock, and we just put it in and put a bolt from behind. And for the little one here, we separate this from this. We put a lock here, a flat one, and another flat one from here. But when you put it, you separate these both. So instead of like putting them all together, you put this in from here, like this, and then the bolt, and that's how you put it. So now we're gonna install another one of these for the driver's side, and I'm gonna see you down there. Yeah. So now we're gonna put this one in from the driver's side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So here we go inside the car. Okay, so now guys, we have installed every single one of them for the driver's side, and now we're gonna put the board and we're gonna tighten the bolts to see how it works. Okay, hello guys. Yesterday it was dark, so we couldn't finish the running bar installation. So now we're gonna do the passenger side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna start with the first bracket, then the one in the middle, and then the one in the end. And we're gonna put the running board, and we're gonna be done. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. This part of the video concludes the installation of the running boards. If you want us to upload this type of content, please like and subscribe. That'll help us a lot. And by the way, if you want to buy the running boards, you can visit the description and click the link to buy them. Thank you so much. Bye. See you later.